Hi and welcome back to the Tech Tips Christmas specials. Now, one thing's been bugging me about when I've been recording these videos is about the amount of dust that seems to accumulate on my desk. Now, it doesn't matter what I use. I've got a Dyson today and it doesn't always do what I want it to do. So what I've been looking for is something that's a desk size product to solve the problem. And I think I've found it. And welcome back. So why did I decide that the Eono desktop electrical dust collector, as they call it, should be designed for a Christmas tech idea? So the reason why is, let's be honest, this is an ideal potential secret Santa gift, or one of those little stocking fillers, realistically, that Santa might drop in your sack. So I'm going to do a live unboxing because, to be honest, it's not a particularly big product. Well, I say live, it's just not me editing it in any way, shape or form. So in the box, quite obvious, you've got your device and some instructions, which, you know, I probably will potentially need to look at this because, yeah, very different. So it says powered by 2 AA batteries. To avoid damage, continuous working time should be less than 10 minutes. That's a big desk, isn't it? Use brush paper to knock or clear the dust or debris in the dustbin. Please do not wash the machine. Well, you know, you're not going to stick that in a washing machine, are you? Most likely. Keep fingers away from the hole in the machine. Do you know what? Should we do that while we're here? And children should only use it under adult supervision. Well, that's me screwed then, isn't it? Let's be honest. So it comes with a little plastic thing at the bottom, I imagine today. It's got these brushes there. What I might do is I might put it on this desk so we can see what's going on. Does it come with any batteries? That's the question. It doesn't. So you unscrew that. No, I imagine that's to empty. I can't see what else you'd do with that, to be honest. Ah, and the top screws off for the batteries. So there we are. So that's where the batteries go. So just a brief second, I will fetch a couple of batteries. So welcome back. So anybody who's watched my other video, particularly on the Xbox twin charger, will understand my love and hate with rechargeable batteries. Now I 3D printed this. It was really, really good. The problem is nobody in my family actually follows my system. So basically my system is anything needs recharging, they're supposed to put it on my desk or a certain desk. I then go and recharge them, and then I pop them in here and they can come along and help themselves. Problem is with these, they're all very good, but sometimes you get bits stuck in them, and this one's got a couple. So I'm going to use the EBL batteries that I've got. These are 2800, really, really good. I'll put a link in the description for these because I buy these pretty much every Christmas because, to be honest, I get fed up with the amount of toys that come with, you know, battery requirements, and the kids just drain through them. So connecting the batteries in. Here we are. And then we can just reattach the lid. And it's got a spring mechanism for the push button. So you can probably see there's a button there that obviously depresses. Yeah, there's a little notch in there. So if you break that, you're kind of screwed. Let's screw that back on. And then the bottom bit is basically where the waste goes. So to be honest, I can't see it picking up a lot, but we'll give it a go. But for, what was it, £8, I thought, you know, might as well give it a shot, see what happens. So there's only a certain way it goes on. And there we are. It's connected. So hopefully, if somebody hasn't messed up my battery system, there you go. And to be honest, yeah, you can kind of feel it against your hand. So let's maybe give it a roll. Oh, I can hear it. I can actually hear it picking stuff up, which is, so you probably can't see from there, but there is some dust and debris there. Oh wow, actually, to be honest, although you have to, what would be brilliant if they did a robot version? If they did a robot version, I'd be completely sold. But it actually does work pretty well. Because what I was looking for is something just to do small areas. And it is pretty much picking up where I've dropped crumbs or whatever when I'm eating my daughter's biscuits, kind of thing. So yeah, wow. I'm actually really impressed with that. But for the price I paid, that's actually pretty good. And I've got some. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll remove my mouse. Um, one of the things I find is so irritating is this particular mouse I've got does tend to grab. You can probably see this bit here. Let's see if we can get that. It does obviously leave a few marks because of the bristles, but you can see a bit more up here. Oh wow, that has actually got rid of all of that. I'll probably try it on my keyboard at some point when it's powered off. But yeah, I'm actually really impressed considering the price of this thing, and it was designed to be a bit of a novelty gift for myself because nobody else would think of this for me. I'm actually really impressed. So yeah, would I recommend it? 100%. You know, for less than a tenner, it's a great Secret Santa product. You know, like I said, it does collect everything in the bottom here, so yeah, I can see the bits in there. What I would suggest, if you do empty this, do it over a bin, or else you kind of just be putting stuff back where you found it. But yeah, I mean, for what my intensive purposes was to try and remove dust particles or crisps, or, you know, let's be honest, biscuits, which are a favourite of IT professionals to sort of snack on. This is exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, well done, Eono. I'm hoping though the next line they can get one that kind of works like a robo vac. You can kind of sit it on your desk and it will basically come out and plot a chart around. So if anybody wants to, you know, go on Kickstarter and design one of those, I'd be all for it. So unless there's something else, if anybody's seen one that does that, please send me a link because I would certainly purchase that. But yeah, what a wonderful little product. Comes in a nice little box. So, you know, somebody might think it's a Terry's chocolate orange, whether they'd be disappointed. I'm not sure. I don't think I would be. I'd be quite happy if I received this. Merry Christmas.